In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up invoice and quote settings in Xero. Setting up these options correctly can hugely simplify your billing processes, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Xero account. To do this, you'll want to visit the Xero login page. Once you're there, simply click on the login button. Go ahead and enter your email and password on the next screen. After doing that, click on the login button again to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. Your dashboard is your main hub, displaying an overview of your financial data. Here, you want to locate and click on your company name. This is usually displayed prominently at the top of the screen. Following that, click on the settings option. The settings menu is crucial because it houses all the configurations you'll need to tailor Xero to your specific business needs. From here, navigate to the invoice settings. This section is where you start customizing how your invoices will look and behave. Within the invoice settings, you'll see an option to create a new branding theme. Go ahead and click on that. Creating a branding theme means you'll be able to define the visual style of your invoices, so they appear professional and consistent with your company's branding. Feel free to get creative, but remember to keep it professional. After you've created your theme, give it a name. The name helps you keep track of different themes you might use, which is particularly useful if you handle multiple brands or business lines. Next, move on to editing your standard branding theme to suit your needs. This is where you can fine-tune settings like the colors, fonts, and layouts, ensuring every invoice reflects your brand identity. Once satisfied with how it looks, don't forget to click on Save. Saving must be done regularly to ensure all your changes are recorded and implemented. In the next area, head over to the default settings. Here you can set your default due dates for bills. Establishing due dates is crucial. It ensures you know when to expect payments, helping to better manage your cash flow. Also, enable automatic sequencing for your invoices, credit notes, and quotes. This feature systematically numbers your transactions, making it easier to track and analyze them over time. Don't forget to set a default quote expiry date. Having an expiry date establishes a time frame for when your quoted prices are valid, prompting quicker responses and decision making from clients. When all your default settings are configured to your liking, click on Save to lock them in. Lastly, consider adding payment services by clicking on the payment services option. This is a great way to set up various payment methods that your clients can use, offering them flexibility. Lastly, look at the invoice reminders. This setting allows you to set up automatic reminders for unpaid invoices, helping reduce the chances of late payments. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a well-configured Xero account ready to handle invoices and quotes efficiently. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more guides like this.